Well, as you see, like, I don't have anything prepared again, so I always am a last minute person, but I really shook hands here with Jude, my nominator, Jude Rath, and Albert was my seconder. They're sitting side by side. I made two enemies into good friends now, as you see. But I'm kind of looking forward to these next 3 years because talking with Jude, he works for SIT, I believe that's what it is, and he's for training our band members, and I like to help him along, helping with the training and getting jobs for our band members, because our band members right now, many of them are suffering out there, and we have to pay a little more attention to the people that voted us in, and we've had so many tragedies over the last few years, and it almost seemed like we were forgetting our band members, but we weren't really forgetting our band members because there's so much to be done, but we just didn't pay as much attention as we should have. It's what I believe in, and in these next 3 years that I'm going to be in council, I'm going to put a little more effort into what our band members' wishes are, and to help them as best as I can, and working with a good group of people I see that are in front of me that got voted in today. It looks like it's going to be a very strong council, funny one too. Looking forward to the laughs. But I work for health. I don't want to stay up here too long because I know we took too much of your time a little bit already, but I worked for health for the last 2.5 years after I lost that last election, and I made a good family in health. Wilma was there, and it's sad when you have to leave, working with good people like in health, Angie, Flora, Dennis, of course, but he's stuck with me now another 3 years. We had lots of laughs in there too, and our hearts were aching when all the suicides and everything were happening in health, and I seen how hard our health department works when it comes to sad times and that we happen to in our band from time to time. Most of all, I would love to thank my wife, who's been with me for 36 years, Irene. I never ever thank her. It's the first time I thanked her in 35 years, but I just want her to know I love her, but once in a while. But and my daughter, Michelle, she worked tirelessly. You're going to run, Dad. You're going to run. No. Yes, you are. Get out of bed. So she was kind of like my mom, not my daughter. But, I really appreciate and love my daughter, my favorite daughter. Just to be the only one, but and this young man here named Dutch Larocque, when I was in council before, a few years back, I noticed a southern chief that always had seemed like his heart was set up on helping us northerners up here. And Dutch has always been here. I've noticed him here, and he's here again today. I think he really, in his heart, cares for our people in the north and all over Saskatchewan. And I'd like to give a big hand there, Dutch Larocque. And to our Chief Tabby of Huawei, the support she got. I was here 3 years ago too. I've been in council for 3 years, I should say. She worked very hard. I seen her. Maybe she wasn't here all the time, and I spoke for her a few times. And we had a few of these, had to get up and speak things. It's not easy when you're being a chief of a band that you always have people against you. Even when you're a councillor, I guess, but more so a chief. I mean, how could she put up with a lot of this negativity that she has to put up with? And she's a very strong woman, and for standing in front of people, you know, day after day, knowing when there's somebody in the crowd there, you know, thinking the negative thoughts about her. And I commend you for that, Tammy. It takes a strong person to stand there and put up with that. And one thing I did in this past few years was I got to go hunting. You know, it was a dream job. You get paid to go hunting. Oh, but I left Dennis behind lots of times. He couldn't come. But Nolan Mackay's in the back room there. He takes care of a group of kids that we go hunting with and take hunting with us. And those kids, they really work hard. You don't even have to tell them nothing. They just up and do the job, cutting up meat, hauling it. You know, I really enjoyed myself with those kids, and I'll miss them too. Maybe I'll go along once in a while too. But with that, I'm not going to be up here very long. I guess I'll call her a day, and for these next 3 years, I really look forward. I guess I won't call her a day, but I look forward to working and doing my best for each and every one of you. You know, I don't care if you're from Stanley, Michigan, Grand Rapids, blah, 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 anywhere. I am a counselor for the Lagrange Indian Band. I am there for every person that needs me to help them. And I'll be there for you right till you put me out again. But at least I'll be there for 3 more years, that's guaranteed. So with that, I thank you so much.
Welcome, Michael J. Bird.